Welcome to Left-Handed Locksport on the EJM3, and this is the Lockpicking Advent Calendar, the Big 3-0. Just this one and tomorrow left, and we'll be done with the month. It has been exhausting, it's been fun, and I will be relieved when this thing is over. So our random practice log generator has given us quite a challenge today. I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, that this is the first time we've gotten one of each, at least one of each. We have two serrated, we have two spools, and one of each of the mushroom and standard. We are picking a progressively harder lock each day for the month of March to promote Locksport, grow the community, and have fun while we're doing it. So we started off easy, and now we've gotten straight to our complete randomness, and I think for this one we're going to bring out the Vice one more time. We tried to do this yesterday, but the lock just wanted to be held and picked. But I think for this one I want to feel everything, and it's much easier to feel it with top of the keyway tension and in a vise. So let's get this medium hook and get a little zoom in action. And starting from the back, I want to go Zen mode today. I feel like the lock wants to talk to me, and I don't want to talk to it. So on 5, 4, 3, got a tiny click off 3, 2 I got a click, and 1 is still springy, going back to 6. Six is really stuck in there. I want to make sure I'm on the pin itself. There we go. Got a nice solid click off of 6. 5, I got some crunchiness, but I think it's now settled. 4. And it feels a little bit weird to me, so I'm just going to go back to 1, work my way down. 2 is now binding. Got a nice click off 2. Got a nice click off 3. Still no false set on 5 and 6. So moving back to 1. 1 is now binding. One is very difficult to hit with this medium hook. So just moved over to the short hook to click that one up. And move my way back down. So we got 1. Oh, no, 3. Oh, lots of crunchiness on 3, and we clicked into a false set. And I just touched 4 a little bit, and we moved deeper into a false set. I'm just going to touch each one more time. And I think we're going to move back to 4 and click it up for the win. So let's see that in action, hopefully. I'm not feeling any sort of counter rotation here. Oh, there we go. So there's our counter. It is very faint. Alright, so we got the click. We didn't get the open, which means something else fell. Hit 3, major false set. We're on 5, we're on 6. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I think, oddly enough, and this is the first time, if this is the case, it's the first time all month that 6 will be the last one to go. Yes. All right. So I have counter rotation on 6. All right. I got the click on 6, but still we're not there quite yet. Tap 3 up. Now I think I overset 3, loosening up a bit. 1 still good. 2, we got it reset now. Three, we got some crunchiness. 4, we just got a click. 5 got a major click. Man, this thing is ugly. This is an ugly, ugly lock. Back on 2. Got a click. 3, we just got about a million clicks. Alright, moving to my short hook. We're on 1. Got a click on 1, and we're back into that full set we had before. Back to the medium hook. Touched 4. Deeper full set. Move 4 up and get it right this time. This is where we were minutes ago now. Let's not screw this up again, huh? There. Boom. Day 30 done. And let's get this thing cracked open, gutted, and run that chamber generator one last time. Get prepared for our final day. Tomorrow, Friday, March 31st. Be right back. Alright, so we got all 6 in there. And let's gut this thing. I think this is going to be the final gutting that I will do at the end of the video. Because I think I'm going to show me putting this together like we did at the start of this month. So, first one, serrated. Second one, standard. Third, serrated. Fourth, spool. Fifth, mushroom. And finally, we got a spool. All right. Moment of truth. Our final day. Final time we need to use this. This is my random lock and pinnings Python script. You can grab it at this YouTube video, which is linked down here on the left. So when you're playing along this month or any other month of the year, if you want to use this code for your liking, if you're on eBay and you're looking at 3 locks, you can only find or buy 1. You can put them all here as long as you leave your chambers at 0. Then it will randomly choose any of the locks on this list and ignore the random lock and pinnings portion of that. If you are using it the same way I am, put your different keys in here, your different spring types, your key pin types, and your driver pin types. And here we go. our last time running it. So for our final day, we are doing a steel with the serrated, steel with the serrated, copper with the serrated, steel with the serrated, copper with the mushroom, and copper with a serrated. It is not liking me. It knows. It knows. I thought it was going to go easy on me, but my kryptonite serrated pins are in 5 of the 6. And, yeah, this one is going to be fun for the final day. It's not letting me off the hook easy. I hope you're like this month. I hope you're liking these videos. If you are, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And until tomorrow, the final day of the lockpicking advent calendar, peace.